So you might be in a position where for some reason your stickers are just not working on your iPhone. Now, this is kind of a cooler feature within iOS 17, but if you're having problems where for some reason your stickers are just not working, the first thing you're going to want to try doing is making sure that you're properly inputting the stickers into your keyboard. So in iOS 17, you can tap on the little plus button right here, and if you go ahead and actually see the little stickers icon, which is right here, you can tap on it, and then your keyboard at the bottom will pop up. Now, if you're missing stickers, we'll get into that in a second. But the first thing you want to do is click on this plus icon right here. And what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and bring in a specific sticker. Now, keep in mind, not every single image can have a sticker inside of it. So if I click right here, right, look what happens. You can see that there's not really a place that, Apple can go ahead and find a sticker and it says sticker not available. The reason why that is coming up is because there's just no way that the sticker is going to be able to be seen because there's nothing here to make a sticker out of. Now, most of the time, if you want to make a sticker out of an image, it has to look something like this. It has to have like an image in the front where you can pull from the background. So that's an example of one. I don't even know if this is an example, so this one is an example of one that I can take a sticker from. If we take a look at this, I don't think it can make a sticker from this. There's just no way, like there's just nothing that it can take a sticker from. So again, it's just one of those things to keep in mind, and I don't even think it'll even try doing it. So you can see its sticker is not available. So that's the number one thing to keep in mind. It has to be a forefront image, and then it can take a sticker from it. Now, if your stickers are missing here, that may be due to possibly you went through and deleted it. So if you hold it down, you can delete the sticker just by clicking the delete button. You may have accidentally deleted it and may have not even realized. So keep that in mind. That's just like another thing to keep in mind there too. On top of that, if you're dragging and dropping stickers and you can see it like randomly will not stick or something, so that one surprisingly stuck. But if they randomly don't stick, it can be due to basically the same exact thing. Maybe you actually went through and accidentally put it in the wrong spot. Sometimes if I drop a sticker in the wrong spot like this, it won't stick. So when you drop it over, you have to drop it over the messages most of the time, and then it'll end up sticking. So those are just a few ways to fix those types of issues. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.